Hello. Hi. Do you have any exciting plans this weekend? Yes, actually, it's my friend's birthday. We are going to have a big party. What do you like to do on weekends? I like playing cricket, reading, and listening to pop music. By the way, I am looking for the airport. Can you tell me how to get there? No, sorry, I don't know. I think I take the subway to the airport. Do you know where is the subway? Sure, it's over there. Where? I don't see it. Across the street. Oh, I see it now. Thanks. No problem. Do you know if there is a restroom around here? Yes, there is one here. It's in the store. Is there a bakery near here? Yes, there is a bakery nearby. Take the next corner and it's next to the bank. I need to go to the pharmacy. Is there a pharmacy near here? Yes, there is a pharmacy near here. Go straight, turn left, and walk 2 blocks. Then turn right. The pharmacy is next to the supermarket. I have to get going. Thank you so much for your help. Have a good day. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Bye. Have a good day.